When we talk about this nutrition, which is exactly everyone is looking for the balanced diet. So what according to you?
Balanced diet is having all of your macronutrients in place, like your carbohydrate, your protein, and your good fats, your superfoods that will help you boost your metabolism. So on a daily basis, and having them eaten on a regular meal and not skipping them.
When we talk about eating right, because there are also so many misconceptions about eating right. What according to you is eating right, and what should be included in diet to have that thing, complete portion?
Eating right is just simple. You don't have to complicate anything. Eating right is eating healthy, eating the right amount of food, your vegetables, your protein, from your meat or your low-fat cottage cheese. So you shouldn't follow any kind of fad. I think you should keep it simple and eat as healthy as you can because your lifestyle is so hectic. So I feel like try not to skip your meals. Try and eat as fresh as you can, organic. Now it's available everywhere, so it's good.
When we talk about cities like Mumbai, Delhi, big cities, best areas are so nice.
Yeah.
What according to your personal should be do basics for get a workout thing, fitness?
I feel everyone should hit the gym if they can, or basic, at least try and walk. But I feel weight training is really important, even if it is thrice a week, and a balanced diet of your healthy raw vegetables, your fruits. That's all.
What do you think about the fitness behind? What do you think about the fitness?
What do I think about fitness? Fitness, I think, is now booming. It's been booming since the last 10, 15 years. Everyone is very conscious, and I think it's great that people are making an effort. And there is an availability also of healthy food. People are becoming more aware. So it's really nice that we all are getting a little conscious.
So what do you think? Can you want to say something to people who they are going gym properly but not eating diet properly?
I think everyone should spread the right knowledge. When it comes to working out and diet, it's very difficult to plan everything properly. That's why I have set up this place, because I know what it is like to lead a very busy life. So I have planned everything so that at least it meets your basic and good nutrition. So everyone should make an effort trying to prep everything at least a week in advance, so that you don't have to worry about eating outside. So you're pretty set for a week, and stock your vegetables and fruits and your good meats in your fridge. Chuck out all the bad stuff that you think you're going to get tempted. That's it, I think.
How essential is non-veg in a diet? Is it really essential, or veggies also can get different options for the same, for having the protein content right?
See, it's difficult for vegetarians. Okay, the optimum quality of protein obviously comes from your meat. So, but it does come with fat also. So you try and keep it to lean cuts, white meats, fishes. Vegetarians can mix up with their pulses and beans, but then again, that's more of carbohydrate. Yeah, so they should rely a little bit on whey protein supplements, a pure source form of that, or low-fat cottage cheese. Yeah.
When we talk about cities like Mumbai and majorly in India, we get foods which are really contaminated.
Yeah.
So what could be the solution for this when we normal people cannot find the right?
It's very difficult. It is difficult. When I started planning Lean Kitchen, I really wanted to go as clean, organic, and find the right kind of sources. It is challenging, but I think now it's coming in, so you'll have to give it some time. People are growing vegetables from their own farm itself, so it's really nice. So it'll take time, but yeah, people like us are coming up. So
When someone is looking for a weight loss specifically, what should be the first thing he or she should add in morning? First thing.
first thing, I think you should not skip your meal, your first breakfast. You should eat immediately. Many of them, before working out, they don't have the first meal. I think it's really important. So a good, healthy breakfast, which compromises of oats and eggs, oats or even quinoa porridge. It's really healthy at that time. Even a whey protein is like pretty good.
Thank you so much.